I agonize the loss of lives of our sons, but I'm also sensitive to the tears of the Palestinian mothers and share their pain. It is time to end the bereavement of both peoples, to turn to the path of sanity, to the path which leads to a future with hope. It is the power of mothers to bring an end to the destruction of life. It is the power of mothers to build a bridge of conciliation with a soft and generous spirit. Let us, each one of us, stretch our arms in peace, a peace which safeguards life, a peace which will safeguard the lives of our children. Let us act together to bring life to our children so that we will never have to bury them. Let us wake up, because as mothers, we know that there is another path.